Ciao, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of flavors and cuisines. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Italian cuisine to unravel the unknown facts behind a classic dish that's simple yet sublime, aglio e olio. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll look at this Italian staple in a whole new light. Aglio e olio origins. Before we delve into the unknown facts, let's briefly touch on the origins of aglio e olio. This dish hails from the heart of Italy, particularly Naples, and has become a beloved classic around the world. But did you know that its simplicity is the key to its charm? The essential ingredients. Now, let's talk about the key players in this dish: garlic and olive oil. The magic lies in the quality of these ingredients. Italians understand that using the finest extra virgin olive oil and fresh garlic cloves can transform this seemingly basic dish into a culinary masterpiece. Clip. Close-up shots of fresh garlic being minced and olive oil being poured. Segment 3. The infusion technique. Host. Here's a secret technique that elevates aglio e olio to another level: the infusion process. Instead of just sautéing the garlic in oil, some chefs swear by infusing the oil with garlic over low heat. This imparts a more nuanced and delicate flavor to the dish. The al dente pasta rule. Now, let's talk about the pasta itself. Italians are meticulous about achieving the perfect al dente texture. Cooking the pasta just right ensures that it not only tastes better but also pairs perfectly with the garlic-infused oil. The versatility of aglio e olio. Aglio e olio isn't just limited to pasta. Did you know that some creative chefs use this flavorful combination as a base for other dishes? From seafood to vegetables, the possibilities are endless. The science of aglio e olio. Ever wonder why aglio e olio tastes so darn good? It turns out there's a bit of science involved. Garlic, when gently sautéed, releases compounds that enhance its aroma and flavor. This reaction is a culinary marvel that contributes to the dish's irresistible allure. The art of balancing flavors. Achieving the perfect balance of flavors is an art, and aglio e olio masters it flawlessly. The garlic brings a robust, savory note, while the olive oil adds a luscious, fruity undertone. Together, they create a symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. Regional variations. Italy's diverse regions add their unique twists to aglio e olio. In the south, you might find a hint of chili for a spicy kick, while in the north, herbs like rosemary or thyme may make a guest appearance. These regional variations showcase the culinary diversity within Italy. Aglio e olio, a culinary canvas. Did you know that aglio e olio is more than just a pasta dish? It's a culinary canvas for experimentation. Some chefs play with textures by adding crunchy breadcrumbs, while others introduce umami with a sprinkle of parmesan. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. The ritual of sharing. In Italy, food is not just sustenance, it's a way of life. Aglio e olio embodies the spirit of sharing and togetherness. Families gather around the table, share stories, and savor this simple yet soul-satisfying dish. It's a ritual that transcends generations. The historical roots. Before we dive into the unknown, let's take a quick trip back in time. Did you know that aglio e olio has roots dating back centuries? Initially a humble dish for peasants, it has evolved into a worldwide sensation. It's a testament to the enduring power of simple, delicious food. The garlic ritual. Ever noticed that distinct garlicky aroma when making aglio e olio? Well, here's a secret. There's a ritual to it. Italians believe that the aroma of garlic hitting the hot oil signifies the start of something magical in the kitchen. It's a sensory experience that sets the tone for the entire dish. Aglio e olio pasta whisperer. Aglio e olio is more than a dish, it's a pasta whisperer. The simplicity of the ingredients allows the pasta to shine. The dish's elegance lies in letting the pasta absorb the flavors of garlic-infused olive oil, creating a symphony of tastes with every twirl of the fork. And there you have it, folks, the unknown facts behind Italian aglio e olio. Simple yet sophisticated, this dish teaches us that sometimes, the beauty of cuisine lies in its simplicity. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tantalizing food adventures. Until next time, buon appetito!